Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm looking at the Swissy yen at the moment. We've got these levels here on the weekly time frame. I'll just mark that up. So this is a key level of resistance. And then on the daily time frame, same thing. I've just picked up these two highs. So we've got yesterday's high, previous day high, and we've actually spiked up through both of these. Right now, the next level up is this guy up here on the daily. Generally, when we see two of these fairly close together, this is going to push up looking for buy-side liquidity above. Now, it's tapped into this weekly level as well. So this is giving me reason to think that we see a decent short opportunity. So let's just have a close look at this. We've got potential target area here, support level. It's a 4H. Further down, back over here, we've got this. Well, we've got, these levels here, that this balance area, that coincides with this. And then we've got this level here, coincides with these lows. Key level, we could pull from this high right through here. We'll just pick up this as a general support area. As such, kind of makes sense. So that'd be two target areas for me. Going down the time frames, if we have a look at the 1H, all right, on the hourly time frame, we have a bit of a price gap here that could be a level of interest with the yen. All right, so we've pushed up out of this balance area. We've got this bullish imbalance here. So my question is, does this look to resolve that gap? What is it, the 1 hour time frame? And we'll have a look at it on the lower time frames as well, and I'll explain what I'm seeing above here. We've got this weekly, this orange is the weekly, and the daily here. It's pushed up into this. This is taken out buy side liquidity. We've got quite a nice strong sell here. We had this range prior to the London Open. Spikes up, strong sell. It's generally a pretty good sign that we could see some more downside. Not guaranteed, but I like what I'm seeing on the chart. So on the hourly time frame, then we've got this level here that we're dealing with at the moment. Next level down is going to be this balance area on the 1H. So we'll just mark that up. Coincides with the higher time frame. What else have we got here? Let's just have a look at it on the 30, see what it looks like, and we'll work our way down. Okay, so this is the range that I'm interested in through here. On the lower time frame, there's a 15-minute price gap here. So what we could see is this possibly trades back up into this level here before we see it head south. And I think this is the kind of thing that stay in drawing mode that I'm looking for would be something like that. Down into these levels, come out of drawing mode. What else have we got here? So this is the fifth 30 minute. Yeah, so this is definitely a level of interest. We've got this 15-minute price gap. We'll just have a look at that. So I like this pre-London Open range. If we grab the Forex sessions, here's our London Open right here. And we have the Asia. Just be careful, right? We're coming into the Asia close. What is that? 3. This is New York time. 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. So we've traded through the Asia close. We could see this rotate here and trade back up into the London Open, and then we get the reversal. Right. So I'm thinking not the London Open, the New York Open. So I'm thinking this could occur around a bit later on into the New York session open. Yep, and then we've got the New York Open, session open, and that's going to be at 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. I should say. There it is there. So what I'm thinking is the possibility this trades back up, and that's going to be the opportunity up in there. And the thing you want to wait for is for this to travel up. We've got this price gap. We want to see it fail in around here or rotate, and then lower lows, lower highs starting to form, and then the opportunity to jump in is once this trend forms on the lower time frame. So we want to see it. In fact, I really want to see it rotate under these highs over here. So something like that. That's what I am looking for. That's the Swissy yen. That's about it, guys. That's my take on the Swiss yen. So, you could wait for this, see if it shapes up. And just let price invite you in. Don't chase it. That to me is the opportunity. And also, if we have a look at this on the 5M, we've got price gap. This one here on the 5-minute time frame. All right, so that's my target. for this to rotate, comes up, looks to rebalance, trades through here, and then we trade south. So I'll just mark that. Yeah, I mean, I think that more or less wraps it up. We've got everything marked up. Possible short opportunity if it sets up. Now, if this fails to rotate at this level and it trades through, then there's no opportunity. So you've got to wait for the trend to set up, basically, something like that. Okay, guys, that's it. My take on the Swissy yen. Click the links below. Have a look at my website, all that sort of stuff. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.